If you're tired of sciatica burning in your leg, the mistake you're making is thinking the problem is in your leg, when in reality, it's in your low back. What you need to do is this simple 3-minute routine that will target sciatica at the source so you can stop doing these wrong stretches that probably aren't helping or are making your pain worse. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the wrong stretches you're doing for sciatica in a simple 3-minute routine that you need to do instead to start to find relief today. So first off, what is sciatica? Sciatica is actually a vague term described as pain traveling down the back of the leg following the path of the sciatic nerve. Now, usually when we talk about sciatica, it's in relation to sciatic nerve pain. Someone has pain shooting down the back of their leg. And the sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in your body with a diameter of up to 2 centimeters. The two things that cause sciatica the most is going to be pressure on the nerve or tension on the nerve. Pressure on the nerve can be a result of disc bulges or disc herniations. These are the most common cause of sciatica, where a disc is bulging, hitting the nerve, and causing the pain to radiate down the leg. Now, if a nerve root is irritated, if there's tension on the nerve, if the nerve is being pulled, that can also elicit symptoms and increase pain. If you're not sure if you have sciatica, listen to these symptoms. Usually you'll notice increased back pain or leg pain the longer you sit. As you bend forward, like you're trying to touch your toes or put socks and shoes on, you might notice stretching that painful leg increases your symptoms, and you may or may not feel numbness or tingling down the leg and the foot or toes. These are extremely common symptoms with sciatica. So if you feel those, you probably have it, and you should not do these two main stretches if you do. So think about this. If the longer you sit, the more pain you feel, or as you bend forward, the more pain you feel, the two things that are happening is your lower back is going into flexion, meaning it's bending forward, and your leg, your hamstring, is being stretched. So if your lower back is in a bent position or bending forward, that's increasing pressure on the disc, which pushes out further, hits the nerve more, and increases the pain. Now, if your nerve is sensitive, remember, it doesn't want tension. So if you perform a hamstring stretch or a piriformis stretch or any type of stretch for that leg to, work it out, you're increasing tension on an already irritated nerve, and it does not like that. And so these two common types of stretches, ones where your back bends forward or your hamstring is stretched, can commonly increase your symptoms and prevent you from recovering. So step 1, stop doing those if you notice these symptoms. Step 2, do this simple 3-minute routine. Grab a chair, rest your upper body on the chair, scoot your knees a few feet back. Now push your hips forward and down towards the floor as to put your low back in an arched or extended position. Remember, we know that your back being in a rounded position increases disc pressure, increases your sciatica. So it makes sense that we want to do the opposite to reverse the stress, reduce the disc bulge, take pressure off the nerve, and this is a very gentle motion to get you started. If you notice it's tight and restricted at first, keep your lower back and glutes relaxed as you perform this, and try to sink deeper and deeper over time. As you do this, and as your lumbar extension improves, not only will your mobility get better, but the disc bulge can actually reduce over time, and you'll notice your symptoms in your leg get better and better and better. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now put your elbows on that chair, put your hands on your back, widen your knees, and sit back as deep as you can while pushing your chest towards the floor. There's two main things we're getting with this particular stretch. The knees being wide and sitting back opens up our hips. This is similar to a frog mobilization or a frog pose that I've demonstrated in many videos. Helps open up the hips, take pressure off the nerve, off the lower back. But by pushing the chest towards the floor, you're mobilizing your thoracic spine, your mid-back. And if your mid-back is tight and restricted, it will put more pressure on your lower back, and it will cause compensation. By alternating back and forth into these motions, you're mobilizing your mid-back and your hips together to reduce tension in these places and improve your overall posture. And last, rest your chest back on the chair with your arms under you. And now we're going to perform a quadruped scorpion exercise where you're going to lift one leg at a time and try to bring your foot to your opposite shoulder while squeezing your glute. This is going to promote lumbar extension, some lumbar rotation, and activate the glute to get blood flow in these regions, because after we improve mobility, reduce the disc bulge, open up the hips, we want to start to stimulate the muscles around around these areas to promote long-term changes. Be sure to alternate each side as you do this to promote balance and symmetry through these motions. And after you perform this last one, I want you to stand back up and test the way your leg feels now. If you notice there's already symptoms reduced, which many of you will, then this is the right approach for you. And it tells us where we need to begin working. But what you need to understand is, yes, this routine can help you reduce your pain fast, but the work is not done. You can't expect this one routine to do all the work for you. You need to ensure the root issue is 100% resolved and then move on to a bulletproofing phase to make sure it lasts. And this specific approach is what we've used to help over 2,000 people completely resolve their symptoms within 3 to 6 months and get back to full exercise with a long-term plan. And when you stop guessing with random exercises on the internet and you get a specific plan for your situation, it's not difficult to get pain-free fast. So if you're serious about fixing this the right way and you want to dive deeper with me, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509 and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following my centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally get pain-free and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and what I'm doing to keep myself and our clients pain-free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.